Introduction. The grocer delivers the monthly provisions and hands over a bill of 248 rupees to Saina's mother. Saina's mother totals the bill quickly and pays 300 rupees to the grocer. The grocer returns 52 rupees immediately. Saina wonders how adults add and subtract large numbers so fast. In this lesson, you will add to learn and subtract 2 and 3-digit numbers. Addition of 1-digit numbers. Let us begin with the addition of single-digit numbers. 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. 5 plus 6 plus 4 is equal to 15. Meeta has 7 chocolates. She buys 7 more. How many chocolates does she have in all? 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. Meeta has 14 chocolates. Madhav has 8 shirts. His uncle gifts him 2 more. How many shirts does he have in all? 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Madhav has 10 shirts. Addition of 2-digit numbers with and without regrouping. All the numbers from 10 to 99 are called 2-digit numbers. Let us now add 2-digit numbers. In order to add 2 2-digit numbers, we first add the digits at the ones place and then the digits at the tens place. Let us add 14 and 23 to understand addition of 2-digit numbers better. The digit at the ones place are 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. The digits at the tens place are 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, 14 plus 23 is equal to 37. We can add 2 2-digit numbers through regrouping. Let us see how. What is 16 plus 22? 16 can be written as 10 plus 6. 22 can be written as 20 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. 30 plus 8 is equal to 38. Therefore, 16 plus 22 is equal to 38. Addition of 2-digit numbers with carrying. Another technique of adding 2 2-digit numbers is through carrying. Let us understand it with an example. What is 29 plus 44? The digits at the ones place are 9 and 4. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Write 3 at the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. The digits at the tens place are 1, 2, and 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. Therefore, 29 plus 44 is equal to 73. Addition of 3-digit numbers. The numbers from 100 to 999 are called 3-digit numbers. In order to add 2 3-digit numbers, we first add the digits at the ones place, then the digits at the tens place, and finally the digits at the hundreds place. Let us add 143 and 254 to understand addition of 3-digit numbers better. The digits at the ones place are 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. The digits at the tens place are 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. The digits at the hundreds place are 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Therefore, 143 plus 254 is equal to 397. Let us now learn to add two three-digit numbers with carrying. What is 423 plus 287? The digits at the ones place are 3 and 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Write 0 at the ones place and carry over 1 to the tens place. The digits at the tens place are 1, 2 and 8. 1 plus 2 plus 8 is equal to 11. Write 1 at the tens place and carry over 1 to the hundreds place. The digits at the hundreds place are 1, 4 and 2. 1 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 7. Therefore, 423 plus 287 is equal to 710. Subtraction of one-digit numbers. Let us move on to subtraction. We begin with subtraction of one-digit numbers. Rajat is hungry. His mother gives him 4 chapatis. He eats 3. How many chapatis are left? 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 1 chapati is left. Priya's mother bought her 12 mathematics notebooks. She has used up 7. How many notebooks are left? 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. 5 notebooks are left. Subtraction of two-digit numbers with and without regrouping. Let us now learn to perform subtraction operation on two-digit numbers. What is 25 minus 12? First, we subtract the digit at the ones place. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Next, we subtract the digit at the tens place. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, 25 minus 12 is equal to 13. What is 34 minus 9? 34 has 3 tens and 4 ones. We want to remove 9 ones. As 9 ones cannot be removed from 4 ones, we regroup 1 tens as 10 ones. Now we have 2 tens and 14 ones. We remove 9 ones from 14 ones. We are left with 5 ones and 2 tens. Therefore, 34 minus 9 is equal to 25. What is 54 minus 18? 54 has 5 tens and 4 ones. We want to remove 8 ones. We regroup 1 tens as 10 ones. Now we have 14 ones and 4 tens. We remove 8 ones from 14 ones. We are left with 6 ones. We remove 1 tens from 4 tens. We are left with 3 tens. Therefore, 54 minus 18 is equal to 36. Subtraction of two-digit numbers with and without borrowing. Let us now subtract two-digit numbers using the technique of borrowing. What is 65 minus 27? Since 5 is less than 7, it borrows 1 from the number at the tens place to make itself 15 Which is larger than 7? 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. Since the 6 at tens place lent 1 to the 5 at ones place, it becomes 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 65 minus 27 is equal to 38. Anuj's mother gave him 50 rupees. He spent 36 rupees at the Christmas carnival. How much is he left with? We subtract 36 from 50 to find the answer. 0 is less than 6. It borrows 1 from 5 and becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 5 has lent 1. So it becomes 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 50 minus 36 is equal to 14. Anuj has 14 rupees left with him. Subtraction of two 3-digit numbers with and without borrowing. Let us now perform subtraction operation on 3-digit numbers. What is 364 minus 241? 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 364 minus 241 is equal to 123. What is 754 minus 227? 4 borrow from 5 and becomes 14. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 5 has lent 1. So it becomes 4. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. 754 minus 227 is equal to 527. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. We can add 2 and 3-digit numbers by regrouping and carrying over. We can subtract 2 and 3-digit numbers by regrouping and borrowing.
Introduction. Hello dear friends, I'm sure you must be enjoying your studies. As a treat, I have brought this bottle of juice for you. Can you tell how many glasses can we fill with the juice? Let us find out. We can fill our glasses with the juice from this bottle. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to compare containers which hold different amount of liquid. Arrange the containers with different amount of liquid in increasing or decreasing order. This is a spoon. I will now fill this spoon with milk. Let us see how many drops of milk are required to fill the spoon. Here goes the first drop, and this is second drop of milk in the spoon. The spoon is still empty. Let us put one more drop in the spoon. And now the fourth drop. Now the spoon is full. Hence, 4 drops of milk are needed to fill the spoon. Let us do another activity. We have 3 different vessels and a jug. We will fill water from the jug in these 3 vessels. Let us start with the first vessel. 1, 2, and 3. Here we see that 3 jugs of water fill the first vessel. Now let us fill the second vessel. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look, the bucket is full. Here 4 jugs of water fill this bucket. Now let us fill the third vessel, 1 and 2. 2 jugs of water fill the third vessel. Friends, we have seen that vessel 1 is filled with 3 jugs of water. Vessel 2 is filled with 4 jugs of water, and vessel 3 is filled with 2 jugs of water. It means vessel 3 holds least water, and vessel 2 holds most of the water. Sam brought a bottle of milk. Can he empty this bottle in a glass? He fills the glass with the milk from the bottle. Look, milk is still there in the bottle. He then takes another glass and pours the remaining milk in it. Look, the bottle is empty now. Thus, Sam can empty this bottle of milk into 2 glasses. Can we empty this bottle in a jug? Let us see. Fill the jug with the milk. The bottle is empty. We can empty this bottle in a jug. Friends, we have 3 different vessels. Which vessel holds the least water? Yes, you are right. The bowl holds the least water. A jar holds more water than the bowl. And the pot holds more water than the bowl and the jar. Let us now arrange these vessels in an increasing order. Bowl comes first because it holds the least water. The next in the row is jar, as it holds more water than the bowl. At last we place the pot because it holds more water than the bowl and the jar. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. We have learned to compare the vessels containing liquid. We can arrange the containers in a row based on the different amount of liquids in them. Introduction. Friends, I'm fond of collecting coins. I have my piggy bank filled with lots of coins. Today we'll do something interesting. We will collect information of total number of 1, 2, and 5 rupee coins present in this piggy bank. We have 3 1 rupee coins, 5 2 rupees coins, and 10 5 rupees coins. Wow! That's a lot of money. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to collect information of different things from the group. Answer the questions based on the group. Have you played this game before? Yes, it's the snake and ladder game. We will count the number of snakes and ladders seen on this board. Count with me. First, let us count and write the total number of snakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 snakes. Now we count the total number of ladders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 ladders. How many dice do you see here? There are 2 dice. Today we all friends are planning to play cricket. Meet my friends, Ricky, Maria, Maddie and Minty. Let us play a game with their names first. How many names end with the same alphabet Y? 3 names end with the same alphabet Y. Ricky, Maddie, and Minty. And how many names start with the same alphabet? Name the alphabet. Yes, 3 names. Maria, Maddie, and Minty begin with same alphabet M. Look at the diagram that shows the arrangement of computers in your computer school. Look at the plan and then answer the questions that follow. How many computers are there in the room 1? There are 9 computers in room 1. How many computers are there in the room 2? There are 3 computers in room 2. How many total computers are present in school? There are total 12 computers in the school. It's so pleasant morning. Look at the birds near the branch of tree. We will now find the data of birds from this tree. There are 2 birds which are flying and 5 birds which are sitting on the tree. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. We can count the number of different objects in a group. We can write the total number of objects in a group. Introduction. Hello students. Look at this picture. The picture shows that a boy is playing cricket. Do you know how long the bat is? We use toothbrush for brushing our teeth. Do you know how long the toothbrush is? Today let us learn to measure the length of different things. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you'll be able to find the length of objects, measure the length with the help of a scale. Friends, look at this picture. This is a bamboo. There are 2 ends of a bamboo. To measure the length of bamboo, we measure it from one end to another. Look at this pencil box. The length of pencil box is from its one end to another. Look at this computer screen. Can you find out the length of computer screen? Yes, the length of computer screen is from one end to another. In ancient times, the length of object was measured by using our hand, arm, or simply by our feet. But these methods do not give accurate length. Later on, ruler and measuring tape were used to find out accurate length of the objects. Look at this picture. This is a ruler, or commonly known as scale. It is used to measure the length of small objects like pencil, pencil box, eraser, photo frame, and mirror. Look at this ruler. Its margins show many divisions. Each division is equal to 1 centimeter. The numbers are written from 0 to 15. From 0 to 5, we get 5 centimeters. From 0 to 11, we get 11 centimeters. From 0 to 15, we get 15 centimeters. Did you know how to measure the length of a matchstick with the help of ruler? Place the matchstick near the ruler as its one end should be at 0. The number written is 5. Therefore, it is 5 centimeters long. Now let us measure a pencil sharpener. Place the sharpener near a scale as its one end is at 0. The other end of sharpener is at 3. Therefore, the length of this sharpener is 3 centimeters. Observe the image carefully and click the correct answers. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. A ruler helps us to measure accurate length of an object.
Introduction. Rita has bought pencils for 15 rupees, colors for 25 rupees and pastel sheets for 12 rupees. The shopkeeper asks her to pay 52 rupees. Rita wants to verify, but there is a problem. She cannot do it without writing the numbers down on paper. She cannot perform mental calculations. You just saw how important mental arithmetic is. Mental addition. How can we add 8 and 5 mentally? Simple. We count ahead of 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 is the answer. But what if we want to add 14 and 16? This technique will not work. Mental addition of large numbers. Let us use a different technique for mental addition of two large numbers. In this technique, we break the number into tens and ones and then add. Write 14 plus 16 as 10 plus 4 plus 10 plus 6. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. We now have 3 tens. Add them. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. 14 plus 16 is equal to 30. Example. A sack contains 13 kilograms of potatoes. Another sack contains 15 kilograms of potatoes. How many kilograms of potatoes are there in all? To find the total quantity of potatoes, we must add 13 kgs and 15 kgs. Break the numbers into tens and ones. Write 13 plus 15 as 10 plus 3 plus 10 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 plus 8 is equal to 28. 28 is the answer. Mental addition of three numbers. Let us now learn to add three numbers mentally. To add three numbers, we add two numbers first and then the third. We make sure that the two numbers that we add first make 10 or a number that ends with 0. It speeds up our addition. What is 4 plus 7 plus 6? We add 4 and 6 first because 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now we add 7 to the 10. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. 17 is the answer. Example. Sumit did 12 questions of mental addition on Sunday, 9 on Monday, and 8 on Tuesday. What is the total number of questions done by Sumit in 3 days? To find the questions done by Sumit, we must add 12, 9, and 8. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. 20 plus 9 is equal to 29. Sumit did 29 questions in 3 days. Mental subtraction. Similar to addition, we can do mental subtraction also. In addition, we are given two numbers and we have to find their sum. But in subtraction, we are given the sum and we have to find one of the calendar. The ones place of 60 is 0 and ones place of one of number is 3. So we have to find that what should be added to 3 to make it 10. 7 is to be added to 3 to make sum 10. Thus, ones place of second number is 7. Tens place of sum is 6. We already have 2 as tens place of one of the number. 1 is to be added as carryover. What should be added to 3 to get the sum 6? The answer is 3. The tens place of numbers is 3. The subtraction 60 minus 23 has the answer 37. Easier technique of mental subtraction. Let us look at an easier technique of mental subtraction. To subtract 32 from 61, first subtract 30 from 61. The answer is 31. Now subtract 2 from 31 using reverse counting. 30, 29. 29 is the correct answer. Example. Reena's father bought her 72 pencils. She used up 36. How many are left? To find how many pencils are left, we must subtract 36 from 72. First subtract 30 from 72. The answer is 42. Now subtract 6 from 42 using reverse counting. 41, 40, 39, 38, 37, 36. 36 is the answer. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. We add two numbers mentally by breaking them down into tens and ones. We add three numbers mentally by first grouping two numbers whose sum ends with 0. Then we add the third number. We subtract mentally by first subtracting a number that ends with 0. Then we subtract the leftover value through reverse counting.
Introduction. Hello everybody. My name is Krish. I want to buy some chocolates. For this, I need to give money to the shopkeeper. Without money, he will not give us anything. Do you know what money is? Okay, I will tell you more about money. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify and differentiate between notes and coins, make different combination of 20 and 50 rupees note, know about saving, add and subtract money, understand correct combinations of notes and coins. We need money in every sphere of life. We require money to buy house, television, computer, clothes, grocery, stationery and many more things. When we go to market, sometimes shopkeeper tells the amount in rupees and paise both. Let me show the correct way to write the price told by a shopkeeper. 1 rupee is written as Rupee 1. 5 rupees is written as rupees 5. 7 rupees and 50 paise is written as rupees 7.50. Look at this Barbie doll. Price is written on its label. We read the price as 95 rupees and 50 paise. Let's learn about paise coins. This is 20 paise coin. This is 50 paise coin. Let us learn about rupee coin. This is a 1 rupee coin. This is a 2 rupees coin. This is a 5 rupees coin. This is a 10 rupees coin. Let's learn about rupees note. This is an 1 rupee note. This is a 2 rupees note. This is a 5 rupees note. This is a 10 rupees note. This is a 20 rupees note. This is a 50 rupees note. This is a 100 rupees note. This is a 500 rupees note. And this is a 1000 rupees note. This is a 20 rupee note. A 20 rupees note is equal to the sum of 4 5 rupees note. A 20 rupees note is equal to the sum of 2 10 rupee notes. A 20 rupees note is also equal to the sum of 1 10 rupee note and 2 5 rupees notes. Similarly, a 50 rupees note is equal to the sum of 5 10 rupees note. 50 rupees note is equal to the sum of 1 20 rupees note and 3 10 rupees note. 50 rupees note is equal to the sum of 2 20 rupees note and 1 10 rupees note. Remi's father gave her rupees 10. She spent rupees 2 for buying pencils and the rest she dropped in her piggy bank. The money kept in our piggy bank is called saving. Now let us learn about addition involving money. If I have 3 5 rupees coin, then can you tell me the total rupees I had? Add 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is equal to 15 rupees. Now I have 3 50 paise coins and a 2 rupee coin, which is equal to 3 rupee 50 paise. Let us learn how to add 25 rupees 50 paise and 20 rupees 25 paise. Step 1. Add the numbers in paise column. 50 plus 25 is equal to 75 paise. Write 75 under the paise column. Step 2. Add the numbers in rupees column. 25 plus 20 is equal to rupees 45. Write 45 under the rupees column. Let us solve another example. What is the sum of 10 rupees 50 paise and 15 rupees 50 paise? Step 1. Write the numbers in correct column. Step 2. Add the numbers in paise column. 50 plus 50 equals 100 paise. But we know that 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee, so we write 2 zeros below the paise column and take 1 as carry. Step 2. Add the numbers in rupees column. 1 plus 10 plus 15 equals rupees 26. Write 26 under the rupees column. Now let us learn subtraction of money. Subtract 10 rupee 50 paise from 40 rupees and 75 paise. Step 1. Subtract the numbers in the paise column. 75 minus 25 is equal to 50 paise. Write 50 under paise column. Step 2. Subtract the numbers in the rupees column. 40 minus 10 equals 30. Write 30 under rupees column. Let us learn about some right combinations of notes and coins. One 5 rupee note is equal to the sum of 5 1 rupee coins. One 5 rupee note is also equal to the sum of one 2 rupee note and the sum of 3 1 rupee coins. Similarly, one 5 rupee note is equal to the sum of 2 rupees note and a 1 rupee coin. All these are the right combinations. Similarly, we can have different right combinations for 10, 20, 50, 100, 500 and 1000 notes. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Money comes in form of rupees note and coins. We can add and subtract money. Smaller amount of money add together to give a bigger amount of money. Saving money is a good habit. At home, we use a piggy bank to save money.